Definite and indefinite articles. El, la, los, las, un, una, unos, unas. Hello, everyone. Let's begin today's class. Last time we learned about adjectives, right? We said that adjectives must match the noun in gender and number. Today, we'll take one step back to the noun itself and learn how to use words like the and a or an in Spanish. These are called articles. In Spanish, articles must also agree with the noun they introduce. That means if the noun is masculine, the article must be masculine. If the noun is plural, the article must be plural too. Let's look at the two types. A. Definite articles. The. The in Spanish is el. The article el is masculine, singular. In plural, it becomes los. The equals la is feminine, singular. In plural, it is las. Examples: el libro, the book; los libros, the books; la mesa, the table; las mesas, the tables. Bin definite articles: a, an, some, a or an. Masculine singular is un. In plural is unos, a or an. Feminine singular is una. In plural it becomes unas. Examples: un libro, a book; unos libros, some books; una mesa, a table; unas mesas, some tables. So just like adjectives, articles must match the gender and the number of the noun. Practice. Choose the correct article for each noun among el, las, una, unas, and unas. 1. Perro. 2. Manzanas. 3. Silla. 4. Cuadernos. Let's do the first one together. Perro is masculine and singular, so we say el perro, right? It's finished by here. Don't forget to react to all our platforms. Facebook is Spanish language learning. YouTube is Learn Spanish. All right, bye for now. Hasta luego.